hello, namaste to all my dear viewers. Welcome back, guys. So, in our today's video, we are going to continue with exercise 13.2 from chapter 13, that is surface areas and volumes. Let's begin. So, question number 3 says that a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter, the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area and total surface area. So let's head on to our solution. So friends, this is the figure for question number 3. So we are given with height as 77 centimeter and inner diameter is given as 4 centimeter, whereas outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Now friends, for calculating curved surface area we will require radius. So radius is d by 2, that is 4 by 2 is 2 centimeter and 4.4 upon 2 is 2.2 centimeter. Now friends, when we say that inner radius is 2 centimeter, it means that this is the center and this much length is 2 centimeter. And when we say that outer diameter is 2.2 centimeter, so it means that this whole length is 2.2 centimeter. So inner CSA formula for inner CSA will be 2 pi RH. 2 pi we have to take as 22 by 7. Radius is 2 and height is 77. So 7 and the 7, 11. And when we will multiply all these, we will get 88. 2 into 24, 44 into 2 is 88, into 11 is 968 centimeter square. So 968 centimeter square is the answer for first part of question number 3. Second part says that outer CSA we have to find and formula is same, 2 pi RH. Friends, I have written big R because to denote outer radius. 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Outer radius is 2.2. Height is 77. 7 the 7. 7 11. 11 into now 2 into 22 is 44. Into 2.2 into 11 is 44 into 2.2 is, we should multiply 44 into 11 is 484 into 2.2 and product of 484 and 2.2 is 1064.8 centimeter square. Answer. Now third part says that find the total surface area. So now friends, total surface area will include inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area and area of two rings. See friends, rings. What is rings now? See, in this figure, this ring, right, and this ring. What is the surface area of these two rings? ये इसका और then what will be the surface area of this much portion between the two rings? We are going to find that also. So area of, now how we are going to calculate this area of two rings? Suppose that this is a circle and this is also a circle. So now friends, we have to find the area for this ring. So for this ring we have to minus smaller circle from the bigger circle. So the formula will be pi r square minus pi r small square. This small r denotes to the radius of this small circle and big R denotes to the radius of this bigger circle. So friends, when we will minus this means bigger circle from this means smaller circle, then we will be left with this. So area of ring, right? And we will now make this formula more shorter. Pi common and r square minus r square. So first we will calculate the value of two rings in respect to this figure, then we'll add ICSA and OCSA to it. Okay, so now 2 pi r square minus r square, we are with this formula, right? So 2 into 22 by 7. And friends, for opening this we will use the identity of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b, right? So 2 into 22 by 7, what was our capital R? 2.2. So 2.2 plus 2 and 2.2 minus 2.2, 2.2 minus 2. So now 2 into 22 by 7 is 44 by 7. 2.2 plus 2 is 4.2 and 2.2 minus 2 is 0.2, right? Okay, so now 7 on the 7 and 7 0.6 will be 4.2. Now 44 into 0.6 into 0.2 is 44 into 6 is 264. 1 and then 2.64 into 0.2, and now friends 264 into 2 is 528. We will put point from 2 digits because 1 1 1 2, so our answer is 5.28. You can delete this step. So now area of two rings is 5.28 centimeter square. Now we will plus in inner curved surface area. What was it? 968 centimeter square plus 1064.8 centimeter square. Area of two rings is plus 5.28 centimeter square. And when we will add all these numbers, we will get 2038.08 centimeter square as our final TSA. Now let's come on to question number 4, which says that the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. We have to find the area of the playground in meter square. So diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter, its height is 120 centimeter, and now we have to find the area when it completes 500 revolutions. So first we will find the area covered by the roller in one revolution. Area covered by the roller in one revolution, that will be its curved surface area, and formula for curved surface area is 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 84 into 120. Once again friends, diameter is 84 centimeter. We will find radius. Radius will be 84 upon 2, that is 42 centimeter, and here it is 42, right? So 7 to 7, 7 6 are 42, and then when you will multiply all these, the product will be 31680 centimeter square. Now friends, this is the area covered by the roller in one revolution. So area of playground will be that it will cover in 500 revolutions. So 500 into area of one revolution, that is 500 into 31680. When you will multiply this, you will get 15841234 zeros, right? And this is centimeter square. Now friends, this is the area of playground in centimeter square, but we have to give it in meter square. So for converting it in meter square, we will divide the centimeter square area by 10,000. Why? Because 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meter, and as it is centimeter square, as it is meter square, both the things, then we have to increase 2 zeros more. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. It is a very simple calculation which will give us 1584 meter square as its answer. So answer, area of playground is equals to 1584 meter square. So friends, if you like the video, press the like button, share your experience in the comment section below, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get the latest video updates. Thank you very much.